Right. So my journey started then because of my own health issues and health issues of my family. That got me started onto this journey of nutrition. Now, I did study in the sciences, life sciences, physical sciences at university, which means I had some background to this. And something started to interest me. And I started to read up more. I started to see changes in health, of my own health, my family's health, changes in health of family and friends as well. And that got me so interested that I eventually also studied 7 diplomas in nutrition also. And now I reach out to other people to try and help them improve their health. Like I said before, I used to take antibiotics 3 to 4 times a year for throat infections. Now, for more than 30 years, no antibiotics needed for throat infections because I made changes to my lifestyle and diet. So I like to help other people by sharing what I know so they can also have better health. So let's continue the journey for today. Just a disclaimer. Everything I'm talking about today is from a primary healthcare perspective. It's not a medical prescription. I'm not trying to replace a doctor. I'm not trying to play doctor. I'm trying to teach you skills and facts that will help you have a happier and healthier life. Now, let's look at the healthiest countries in the world. Healthiest countries in the world. There they are. Now, those top 6 swap places every year. But around about those 6 stay at the top most of the time. Now, I know where South Africa fits in. I'm not sure about Kenya, however. But South Africa is like 130 plus out of the countries. South Africa also moves up and down, but South Africa has been even worse than that at some stage. Now, this is done by an independent organization, the research. Chronic disease, this is the problem. Because of lifestyle and diet, chronic disease is on the increase all over the world. Now, this is in the United States, but it applies to South Africa as well. Take note of what this one says. The World Health Organization states clearly that chronic disease causes 71% of all deaths globally. That's shocking, eh? Chronic disease. And now take note. The CDC says up to 80% could be prevented, delayed, or alleviated through proper nutrition and better lifestyle choices. That means if you work it out, about 60% of people that suffer from chronic disease don't have to suffer from chronic disease. But they do. Now, why do they suffer from chronic disease? They're not educated, they're ignorant, they're not told about these things. So they suffer because they're not aware of these things. So let's talk a bit more about this. People say, I eat right. I eat the right food. Now, in a study of nearly 22,000 people, take note, 22,000 people, not even one got all of the 10 specific essential nutrients they were looking for in a regular diet. Not even one. Now, that is terrible. Now, essential nutrients are things you must get it from your food. Your body can't make it. Okay? You must get it from your food. Independent studies have shown the nutritional value of a food also have declined. Here, for example, a serving of spinach, vitamin A is dropped by 30%, and vitamin C by 53%. So you have to eat a lot more spinach to get the same amount of nutrition as 50 years ago. Look what happened to apples. An apple used to have 4.3 milligrams of iron, now only 0.18 milligrams of iron. So you have to eat a lot of apples, like 26 apples, to get to the same value of 1 apple from when I was a child. So no wonder people are not getting the nutrition they're supposed to get. Like, look at this one with oranges. You now have to eat 8 oranges to get the same value as oranges from 1980. Now that's obviously to do with farming methods, hybridization of varieties of crops and so on, that this has happened. And you can see here, this one with oranges, the study was done at the University of Texas. They've done the study there. And you can see the decrease in orange nutrition there. Question now is, should I supplement? Because a lot of people say, I want to be healthy. My food is not what it's supposed to be, but should I take supplements? And this also, where there's a lot of problems. Now, let's first look at food quickly. Rats fed genetically modified corn or mealies. They developed, you can see the one rat there has got breast cancer, other one's got testicular cancer because of corn, maize, okay, because they're genetically modified. Now, South Africa, about 85% of maize in South Africa, or mealies, in other words, is genetically modified. And you can see what happened to the rats there. Olive oil. People buy these imported virgin olive oils, but it turned out that almost 70% of these imported olive oils are fake or do not meet standards to be called pure olive oil. And you look at honey, same thing with honey. About 75% of store-sold honey contains no pollen, which means it's not real honey. Okay, so you must find your honey from a bee farmer or from, not the stuff in the shop, not always so good. And then look at salmon fish, antibiotics and pesticides and dyes in farmed salmon. So that's terrible. So they're getting GMO pellets as well, genetically modified organisms pellets. That means the plants have been modified genetically. And so they are different from the plants of 50 years ago, 20 years ago. Okay? So, see, even farmed salmon is a problem. You need salmon from the fresh sea, deep sea. Labeling of products. Here's another problem. Now, this is shocking. Okay? I'm going to shock you now with one here. Clean label project found, take note, arsenic, cadmium, lead, acrylamide at high levels in nearly 80% of infant formula and baby foods. So we go buy in the shops baby foods thinking it's healthy, but it contains lead, cadmium, arsenic, acrylamide. So we're poisoning our babies while we think we're actually feeding them proper food. Terrible, eh? Shocking. Even some organic baby food tested positive, and 60% of BPA-free samples tested positive for BPA. Now, BPA comes from plastics, and BPA is what we call a hormone disruptor, which it messes your hormones, of which there are a lot in your body, obviously. Now, if you go on, take note of this chips here on the right-hand side. It says no trans fats, no gluten, non-GMO. Mexican-style chips, okay? Consumer Reports saw the claims of non-GMO. So, they tested the chips. What happened? The chips were actually 100% GMO, which means they contain glyphosate. Glyphosate comes from Roundup, which is a plant killer. Glyphosate is an active ingredient. Glyphosate is a hormone disruptor, can cause cancer, can cause autism, and many other health issues. So in any case, this company tested this. The company, Consumer Reports, took this chips company to court in America. Now this is shocking. The company had a very clever lawyer. You see the packaging of the chips. It says there, no preservatives, no cholesterol, no trans fats, no gluten, non-GMO. Okay? Now, the lawyer convinced the court that those points were for the packaging, not for the content, not the chips itself, but for the packaging. And the company of the chips company actually won the court case. Now, how misleading can that be? You buy something in the shop, it's supposed to be healthy, it's a non-GMO. Now, that's what you think because the label says so, but then it's not. Then apparently it is it's the packaging that's non-GMO. Now, who eats the package? I mean, that's misleading. It's terrible. You need to look for seals of accountability, like those at the bottom there. These are companies or institutions that actually test products to see whether they're healthy, whether they're good or not. Okay? If those seals are on there, you've got a very good chance that it is a very good product or a healthy product. Now, let's look at the following. Are supplements safe and helpful? Look at this one. Consumer Reports, this one 2020. FDA finds hidden drugs, okay, in nearly 50 dietary supplements sold on Amazon and eBay. Some of these products were labeled as best sellers, but they contain drugs. And we know that medication can have interactions with your body, with other medications, and so on. Now, if you take a supplement, you don't want drugs in that. That's terrible. Here's another one. This joint supplement contains undeclared drugs. It was tainted with drugs that can cause heart attack or stroke, bleeding, and other side effects. Again, some people who got like arthritis issues take this supplement, but now look at the side effects. That's terrible. Look at this one. Bloomberg News reports no evidence of aloe vera found in the aloe vera at Walmart, Target, and CVS. Otherwise, Bloomberg went to these shops. They sell aloe vera products. What did they find? No aloe vera in the products. But it says aloe vera. It's terrible. Look at this one. In 68% of pools and powders tested of this elderberry, testing found black rice, other elder species, not black elderberry or authentic elderberry, other elders, and other plant extracts. So 68% of the pools didn't contain what was supposed to contain. Total mislabeling, total misleading. It's terrible, shocking. Look at this one. New York State Attorney General reports GNC, a well-known supplement company, Walmart, Target, and Walgreens herbals do not contain the herbs as on the label. It says ginkgo biloba, St. John's wort, and so on. What was in there? You'll be shocked to find it was powdered rice, wild carrot, fillers, legumes, and grass cuttings. So people think they buy a healthy supplement, but what do they get? They get something that does not help them at all. Terrible. This one, tainted probiotics for infants. Now, probiotics are the good bacteria which must go in your gut to help the gut function properly. Now, this was tainted. It took them 19 months, almost 2 years, before taking it off the shelves. It was given to babies. That's terrible. How many babies got sick because of this? There's a multivitamin study. People go to shop, people say, okay, I want a multivitamin, I want to be healthy. What they do, they go to the supermarket or the pharmacy or health store, then they look for something, and normally they end up buying something that's relatively cheap, because that's what they can afford. But okay, here was consumerlab.com. They tested 21 brands of multivitamins in the USA. They looked for the best brands in the USA. What did they find? Of the 21 multivitamin brands, 11, the labels were wrong. The ingredients did not match the label, so that you don't know what you're getting. So there were 10 left. Of the 10, 3 did not dissolve. So what's the use of swallowing them? They don't dissolve. When you go to the toilet, they come out whole on the other side. So there were 7 left. One of that 7 contained lead, and we know lead is a poison. So there were 6 left.
Maar het string sewing deze dat ek se weet die berekiste handshingen.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. So there were 6 brands left, and of the 6 brands, look what happened now when they use the 6 brands. It was also shocking to see this. They took the 6 best multivitamins, they gave it to 1,000 cancer patients, with stage 4 cancer patients, and they've got another 1,000 to which they gave placebo. Placebo is a pill that's got nothing in it, but they didn't know they're getting it. They thought they got the multivitamin in. And what was the result? The people who got the multivitamins were worse off than the people who got the placebo. So the multivitamins were actually killing the cancer patients instead of helping them. Like I said, that is shocking if we really go into this. Very shocking. Okay. Here's a testimony you find interesting.
Hi, my name is Barbara Mosley, and greetings from Northern California. I'm a nurse and have been a nurse for 24 years. Out of those 24 years, I was a type 2 diabetic for 15 years and struggled with my blood sugar all that while. I was also diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2016 and then kidney failure in 2017. I was quite sick. I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and I weighed over 220 pounds. I could barely walk by September of 2017. But I want to tell you my story, and that through whole food, organic whole food nutrition and organic whole food supplements, I was able to eradicate all those chronic illnesses. I lost 110 pounds since then, and I not only live a good life and survived all those chronic diseases, but I truly am thriving. My cholesterol is normal. My blood pressure is normal. Within a week of changing my diet and my supplementation, I was off all my diabetic meds, which hadn't happened in 15 years. It was incredible transformation. It was an incredible journey to go from being so sick and hardly walking because of the MS to going to the gym every day, to being able to participate in lots of sports, to be able to run around with my grandchildren, to really get my life back. And I am grateful. If you are suffering from chronic disease, I really urge you to embrace the organic, whole food way of life for your supplementation and for your diet. It will make a difference.
Okay, this is just one of the testimonies that we have. I see there's some questions in the chat. Okay, see somebody's in and out of the hospital. Okay, great stuff. Okay, if you have any questions, you can obviously pose on the chat. I'll try and answer them as we go along. Okay. Now, if you want to buy a supplement, then what type of supplement must you choose? This is a very different question. Okay, because people tend to buy what they can afford. Now, some criteria. It must be made from human, natural, whole foods. You want real food, not synthetic stuff. Must be produced under pharmaceutical license. Now that guarantees you that what is in the product, what is on the label, so the label is in the product. In other words, you really get what the label says. Also, the company that makes the supplements, do they do human clinical trials? Or do they test the products on humans or not? Because if they don't test on humans, how do they know it's working? And the research is published in scientific journals where other scientists can look at it and then also test it and say, wait a minute, we agree or disagree. And then is there a seal of accountability on the product? I showed you some seals a bit early on. Okay. Now we say look for something that's made from whole food concentrates. Here's an example. Here's a product that contains the lipids and sterols that come from whole grains. Now, the problem is our flour that we have today, they remove the lipids and sterols from our flour. White rice is not in there as well. All the grains are so processed, they remove these lipids and sterols. And these lipids and sterols are so essential for our health. Two scientists won a Nobel Prize in 2003 for showing that these lipids and sterols increase nutrient assimilation by 50%. In other words, the nutrition enters the cell by up to 50% better, and waste that's inside the cell leaves the cell up to 55% better. So that your cells are healthier. You know, the problem here is it's like a motor car that's not serviced. If a motor car is not serviced, the engine will go, but it will do not proper smoothly. Eh? Same idea. Your cells need this so they can function properly. And the study has been done more than once on these supplements. Now, this helps for balancing male and female hormones, balance thyroid issues, support adrenal glands, improve sleep, give you energy during the day, improve mental health, aid nerve transmission and brain activity as well. This helps to fill the gap between what we are eating, we're supposed to eat. And like we said, it helps the absorption or assimilation, therefore, of nutrients in the cells much better. And here's another one for you, interesting one. Beta-carotene, take note, this is synthetic beta-carotene, was tested on smokers. In actual fact, it resulted in an 18% higher risk of lung cancer. Whereas natural beta-carotene that was tested like 10, 20 years before that actually showed positive results. But synthetic, not the same result. Now, I studied chemistry at university, so for me an atom and a molecule is a molecule is a molecule. What's the difference? But if you really go into the studies of these things, you will see there are many differences between natural supplements and synthetic supplements. At first, I didn't understand that myself until I did further study. Now, let's look at this one. Here's a product that balances an overactive immune system, helps to normalize it, slows down aging, avoids colds and flu, help with that, lowers the risk of abnormal cells formation in your body, reduce cognitive decline. In other words, it slows the aging up to 44%, by the way, and it strengthens vision. It says that this was proven by the USDA that this product boosts immune cells by 37%, increased natural killer cells by 20%, curbs cell oxidation damage by 44%, that's slowing down aging, in other words, protect against cholesterol-related heart disease for up to 500%, all this in just 20 days, if you take 3 of these capsules a day. And this product is so unique, it's such a unique product, it's been patented, okay, and the FDA actually said, patented this product because it is so unique. And there's a sachet, it's on the brownish one in there, that's the one I'm talking about. Now, it was published in many scientific journals, okay, and here's another one. You see the yellow one in the photograph at the top and side, the sachet, that's the product in there, the Salmon Oil Plus. Also researched and tested. It lowered inflammation index by 68% in 8 weeks. If you lower inflammation, the risk of getting disease is much less. Talking about your chronic diseases. And this capsule contains standardized amounts of all 8 naturally occurring omega-3s, not just 1 or 2, but all 8. It's cold extracted from the fillet of the fish, so it doesn't damage the oils. And it's also tested for more than 200 impurities. It fills a gap because it helps you with heart health, bone and joint health, improving memory and brain health, for headaches and migraines, for better vision, reducing mood issues, and for prostate issues. So it's a fantastic product and been tested and published in scientific journals as well. And we don't eat enough fish. Question, do you eat fish at least twice a week? Most people probably say no. Most people might be lucky if you get twice a month, let alone twice a week. So we are lacking omega-3s in our diet. This is why this sachet has been put together. The one at the top, little green ball, is the lipids and steroids I was talking about. The yellow one is this salmon oil, and the brownish one, that is the carotenoids, okay, the one with the immune system, helps with the immune system. And then the other little green one is a multivitamin and mineral supplement. Okay, and again, the salmon oil was tested, as you see, UC Davis tested it. Okay, another testimony for you.
Okay, my name is Susan Ambasi. I'm a medical doctor by training, and I'm a Neolife distributor. I've been using Neolife for several years, and before that, I had never touched a nutrition supplement for the simple reason that I read labels, and what I was seeing on labels, I could see that I could not put that stuff into my body. However, one day I was introduced to Neolife, and I initially went into it for the cleaning products because my kids were small at that stage, and I wanted to detox my environment because I had figured that the hay fever and allergies that my small kids were having could have been something I was doing, which was by toxic cleaning products. So when I changed that, and also received the nutrition products, everything in my home changed, and I've never looked back. Obviously, Neolife products are the best. There's no doubt in it. For the past 60 years, they've been world first in nutrition. They have led the way in cellular nutrition. And if the cells are not being fed, you're not being fed. And now, as a medical doctor, I'm really, really interested in mitochondrial diseases as being the foundation of all diseases. And we see a lot of heart disease, we see a lot of chronic fatigue. That is the failure of mitochondria, the failure of nutrients actually being converted into energy by the cells at a cellular level. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Now, another craze nowadays is to people use protein powders and collagen products. So many people buy these things regularly and they think they are healthy and do themselves a favor. But let me quickly show you some things you might not know. Organic Consumers Association and Clean Label Project investigated collagen products. Take note what they found. It says here, based on products tested, the average collagen consumer has an 86% chance of purchasing a collagen product contaminated with heavy metals. Or differently put, 86% of collagen products on the market contain heavy metals, things like cadmium, lead, mercury, and so on. And you can see some of the results there. Arsenic, 64%, cadmium, 17%, lead, 37%. So you can see it's shocking the amount of toxins in the protein powders. Okay, here's another one. Where they took protein shakes, found cadmium, lead, and BPA in protein shakes. Again, look at 74% of them contain cadmium, and then lead in 70%. You know, it's sad that people buy these things and they think they're doing themselves a favor. So let's see what else is in here. Plant-based powders were the worst. Garden of Life protein ranked last. Now, take note, here is a shake that I prefer and I use it every day. It contains all 22 amino acids, so it's complete. Contains vitamins and minerals. Tested on humans, tested on diabetics. Contains fiber. And it says the ProtoGuard process. That's the way in which they extract the protein from the sources. And it actually protects the protein. So, have you ever heard about people taking protein powders and getting kidney problems? Now, quite interesting that this shake I'm talking about here, you can actually give to people with kidney problems. Because normally, if people have got kidney problems, you cannot give them a shake to drink because it causes them bigger problems. Now, this shake fills the nutritional gaps again, increase energy focus, for muscle growth and retention, for weight loss or weight management, repairing and rebuilding tissue, and for easy digestible as well. So we recommend, remember I showed you the packet of the 4 pills? We recommend that people use this for breakfast. This shake and this sachet, because if you do that, you get 56 of the 59 nutrient families. 56 of the 59 nutrient families you get from that. Okay? The ones that are not there are things like herbs for women, herbs for men, stuff like that you won't find in it. Because you can't give herbs for men to women and vice versa. Okay. So I take this every day. This is my breakfast. So I'm sure that I'm filling the gap between what I'm supposed to eat and what I am actually eating. Because you know me, I don't eat cauliflower. I don't eat broccoli or Brussels sprouts. I don't like them. So I'm missing out on some very important nutrients because I don't eat them. So I must make sure that I fill the gap. So we recommend you use products that are juice extracted, dehydrated, organically grown, non-hybrid, vine-ripened, non-GMO fruits and vegetables, produced according to pharmaceutical regulations, published in peer-reviewed journals. So there's the products we recommend must meet certain requirements, certain quality, otherwise do not use them. Look what Dr. Gary Samuelson said. All disease can be linked to unhealthy cells. Where does it start? Remember I spoke of the lipids and sterols? It starts there. And we are not getting it from our food anymore. And we also found in energy drinks so many side effects. Increased blood pressure, stress, headaches, nausea, linked to high amounts of caffeine and other stimulants in these products. May contain artificial flavors and artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose. And these disturb the microbiome, others say disturb the gut, and therefore give you gut and brain problems in the end as well. So one must really, really be careful about these energy drinks and so on. People are so quick to buy them, and it can be harmful. I rather use this aloe vera beverage. It's fantastic for stress, helps you to sleep better, great for vomiting and upset stomach as well. Tremendous for cold sores, amazing for colic children. A little colic baby crying 24/7, you know. Put a little bit of this on the dummy or the feed it, suck it, or if it's a bit bigger, you can give it in a bottle to drink or something. Also helps for diarrhea, helps for sore throat, a fungus or vocal cords. You gargle it, for example, and it helps to take away sore throat. Helps for hemorrhoids, great for kidney problems, wonderful for liver problems as well. So quite a lot of things here. Right. Okay. Here's another testimony for you.
Hi, my name is Tom Hickey, and I've been a chiropractor for 36 years. And for the first 32 years that I was practicing, I had a real problem trying to help people with chronic disease. And what I ended up doing was I was treating patients with supplements and dietary changes and that type of thing that just didn't seem to be working at all. And I was introduced 4 years ago to an amazing whole food organic supplement that is concentrated nutrients. And so what I've done is I've incorporated those concentrated nutrients into my protocol for helping people with diabetes and heart disease and cancer and rheumatoid arthritis, a number of other different autoimmune disorders. And the results that I'm getting are amazing. And I couldn't have helped these patients if I would have stayed on the same path, treating people or helping people with supplements that I was using before, such as Standard Process and Shaklee. Some of the other products that we were using, I was just sending them off to GNC because I wasn't getting the results, or to Costco. But now I feel really empowered to be able to help my patient and patients because of the approach that we've been able to take with these whole food concentrates. I love the Neo products for my patients. I love them for myself. Thank you.
Okay, I see some people unfortunately had to go. They actually sent me messages in a chat box. I'll send them the recording to them afterwards. Okay, but let's look at some other things, not just supplements, the skincare products. Most people that use skincare products don't even know that all the chemicals, almost 30,000 chemicals are used in making skincare, but only 10% of these products actually have been tested. And the skincare products are linked to allergies and asthma, liver, kidney disease, and birth defects. But people don't know this. And they go buy the cheap stuff from the shelf. There is an organic skincare range available. It's non-toxic, 100% organic, has a Cosmos seal, and it's vegan and tested on humans, non-toxic. So there are replacements available. That's one of the messages I want to bring across. There are alternatives if you are prepared to look for them. Cleaning products. Again, so many cleaning products on the market contain hormone disruptors and other toxins, and people don't know about these things, or they're just not told about these things, and therefore they buy them thinking they're safe. But we know that every year, thousands of kids all over the world, children all over the world, end up in hospitals because of cleaning products. And there are cleaning products around that are non-toxic. So the child takes them and drinks them, something like that, it will not harm the child. And they're still effective as well. And there, for example, the Butterfly World in Italy uses some products. Penguins in Africa also get cleaned with these products. So they're fantastic, very well products, very good products. Here's an example of one of them. This was done by a friend of mine in the UK. He's an architect. His name is Chris. His one customer or client wanted him to replace his roof tiles. You can see the right hand side is the tiles, of the tiles that what they looked like before. Then it will cost him thousands of pounds to replace them all. So Chris said, no, let's just clean the tiles with this non-toxic cleaner. And you can see the difference between the tiles. And it saved this man thousands of pounds in terms of tiles. Instead of replacing the tiles, just had to clean them. Here's another example. Look at the paving, the difference in the two paving. And it was cleaned with a natural, non-toxic cleaner. Environmentally friendly. And by the way, this cleaner is cheaper than most of your cleaning products in the shops. And non-toxic. Okay, another problem is pesticides in foods. You know, we don't know this, but these foods, the first 12 I show you here, the toxins are inside the food. You cannot wash it off. It's inside. Unless you buy organic. Okay? Unless you buy organic. The Clean 15, you can see there, Clean 15, take note, the asterisk there is sweet corn and papaya. That is if they are non-GMO. Okay, only if they're non-GMO, they're on this list as well. So look at what you eat regularly and see on which list your food is most of the time. No wonder people are full of chronic diseases, because we're eating food that is full of toxins. Now the Clean 15, you can wash the toxins off if you've got a good cleaner that's not toxic. And there are resources we can use to learn more about these things. There are the references for the things I've spoken about today. Here's another testimony.
Hello folks, what a privilege it is for me to spend a few minutes sharing with you about the most incredible opportunity that ever crossed my path. I was 26 years old when they discovered I had leukemia. Newly married to a wonderful bride for about 2 years, had a little baby daughter, and I was desperate to stay alive. The next 5 years, I fought my cancer the medical way. Well, after 5 years, I was sent home to die. It was a really traumatic time in our family. And that's when we discovered what an incredible God we have with impeccable timing. Because He sent somebody across my path to teach me that the body is the healer. That we have to change the environment and our lifestyle. And the first thing that I changed was the supplements I was taking. And within a matter of days, my energy increased, my liver swelling went down, my leukemia count improved. And I wanted to find out more about this company with this incredible product. You see, I thought that all supplements were whole food supplements. I was horrified to discover what I was taking had either turpentine, petroleum, rocks, or metal in. When I got into whole food, they changed my life. Then I started researching this company. Well, at that time, my wife and I, we had 4 companies in 3 different countries with about 200 staff. And the stress of that was also playing havoc on my life. And I was looking for an opportunity that had the benefits of this industry, but I didn't know there was an opportunity like that out there. And so as I researched this industry, I discovered, number one, this company sells to the world. That means you can have businesses around the globe. You're not based in one economy. Today, my wife and I, we've got income from 26 different countries around the globe. As I researched this industry, I discovered that you're wanting unique products. And the products of this company are so unique that there's not one other business on planet Earth that can serve you the quality, the ingredient, and the results that these products can supply. The next thing I discovered that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That to me was so incredible, because any other industry, most of them fail because of either lack of expertise or lack of income. And this business, you don't need expertise because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Somebody's going to guide you and train you and empower you. At the same time, you don't need income, because this business will create its own income as you go along. You don't have to invest thousands into education and learning. That you take out from your income that you're producing from this business. The next thing I loved about this opportunity, it was flexi time. It's a little hobby you start at spare time. And while I had my business of 200 staff, I started this up, and I actually could replace my income within a few years from this opportunity. Well, the more I researched it, the more excited I got about it, because I discovered there's no staff, there's no bosses. That to me was absolutely incredible, because I had 200 staff, and I always wanted to be my own boss, but I didn't want the stress that went with it. I didn't have to have warehousing. The company does the warehousing. I didn't have to do the shipping. The company does the shipping. I didn't have to control marketing plans. The company controls all that kind of stuff. So here I was free to do what I was best at, and that was working with people. I just had to grow in that area. Well, today this business has allowed us to travel the world, to own ourselves. We've been full-time in this opportunity for close on 27 years. What an incredible opportunity that within a matter of months of getting involved, we could go full-time and earn a decent income out of this opportunity. Today, our children love the opportunity. Today, I've got no cancer. I'm healthy. I've got an incredible wife. My daughter today has got children, so I've got grandchildren from people that I thought I'd never even meet. And that to me is just so, so exciting. Here we are, we're sitting on the banks of the Tugela River in Southern Africa, having a great time with 20 leaders from around the world. All being rewarded for this incredible opportunity. Anyway, folks, I want to tell you, get hold of the person who gave this DVD, because the information that they have got for you can empower you to change your life and live the life that you can only dream of. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ezekiel, where did you get the link from? Did I send you the link? Ezekiel, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just WhatsApp me back again afterwards, please. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay, let's just quickly go on, finish here. But basically, Ezekiel, I'll speak to other people that couldn't stay for longer. I'll speak to them also. But think about joining us to make this world a healthier and happier place. Okay? Help us protect our families and our friends from dangerous supplements and dangerous toxins and cleaning products and those things. Help us help people to enjoy healthier lives. It may also benefit financially if you want to. Use just some of the friends that we have in the business. And, well, if you want you and your family to be healthy, maybe it's time for you to change your buying habits. Contact the person who invited you. Okay. If you have any questions, you're free to ask if you have any questions or to say anything.
Hello. Actually, I appreciate watching your meeting. It was okay. It was all right. I appreciate it.
It's a pleasure.
Actually, I would like to inform me about that.
If you have any questions, WhatsApp them
It's
to
my
me.
pleasure. I appreciate.
It's a pleasure. Okay, just WhatsApp me if you have any questions. Okay.